Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this math challenge which reads x plus xy plus y is equals to 68, and we are looking for the possible value of x and y. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and by the time you're done subscribing, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this single equation looking for two variables. So you can say solution. Okay, write down the question which is x, okay, plus xy plus y is equals to 68. Okay, having this, we can see that we are having x here, we are having xy here. In other words, we can factor out something, right? So for factor out, we have this to be x, open bracket, 1 plus, because x divided by x will give us 1, x divided by xy, we are having y here, close bracket, plus y is equals to 68. Okay, having done this, what then is the next step? So the next thing we are going to do is to add 1 to both sides of the equation. So if we should do that, we have this to be x, open bracket, 1 plus y, close bracket, plus y plus 1 is equals to 68 plus 1. Okay, so from here we are now having x, open bracket, 1 plus y, close bracket, plus, we can put 1 here, open bracket, y plus 1, close bracket, is equals to, because if we open the bracket with this one, we are going to return back to this, and 68 plus 1 is going to give us what? 69. Okay, having done this, you cannot see that this and this, they are the same. Using the quadratic equation rule, so we can say this x plus 1 or y plus 1 is equals to 69. Okay, so we are now having, this is y, so we are now having x plus 1 times y plus 1, close bracket, is equals to what? Is equals to 69. Okay, so what are we simply going to do from here? We can write 69 is equals to 23 times 3, and my 69 is also equals to 3 times 23. So therefore I can say x plus 1 times y plus 1 is equals to 23 times 3, because 23 times 3 is going to give me 69. Therefore from here I can say x plus 1 is equals to 23, okay, and y, this is y plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, so we can call this one case 1. Looking at the second case, we are having x plus 1, okay, times y plus 1 is equals to 3 times 23. Okay, so we can say x plus 1 is equals to what? Is equals to 3, and y plus 1 is equals to 23. So we can call this one case 2. In our case 1, we said x plus 1 is equals to 23 and y plus 1 is equals to 3. So if we should solve for case 1, from here we can say x plus 1 is equals to 23. Okay, therefore our x is equals to 23 minus 1. So therefore our x is equals to 22. And we said y plus 1 is equals to 3. So we can say y is equals to 3 minus 1. Therefore my y is equals to 2. Okay, in case 1, when x is equals to 22, y is equals to 2. Let's look at case 2, when x plus 1 is equals to 3. Therefore we can say x is equals to 2. Looking at case 2, y plus 1 is equals to 23. Therefore we can say y is equals to 22. Okay, bringing out all the values for x, we can say x is equals to 22 when y is equals to 2. Okay, then when x is equals to 2 or y is equals to 22. So this is our value for x. In case 1, we said x is equals to 22 and y is equals to 2. Then in case 2, we say x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 22. So these are the values for x and y. So if you substitute all these values into our previous equation, you are going to see that it's going to give us a 68. It's going to give us what? A 68. So let's try out it. So remember, the question says x plus xy plus y is equals to 68. Okay, is equals to 68, where x is equals to 22, our y is equals to 2. Okay, so wherever we see y, we'll substitute 2 there, and wherever we see x, we'll substitute 22 there. So you can see 22 plus what? 2 times 2 plus 2. Okay, so 22 times 2 is going to give us what? So we're having 22 here plus 44. Okay, plus 2. So this 22 plus 44 is going to give us what? Which is also equals to 68. We are putting 68 equals to 68. No, equals to, so from here, which add up all these, 22 plus 44 is going to give us 66 plus 2 is going to give us what? 68. So we're having 68 is equals to 68. So the value of x and y in case 1 is correct. So if we should do the same thing for case 2, we are still going to see that it's still going to be correct. So let's try out for case 2. So in case 2, we said we said y is equals to 22, okay, and x is equals to 2. So wherever we see x, we are putting 2 there. So we are saying 2 plus 2 times 22 plus 22 is equals to 68. Okay, so if we should do everything here, we are having 2 here plus this times this is going to give us 44 plus 2 is going to give us what? 68. So 44 plus 22 is going to give us what? 66 plus 2. So we are having 68 equals to 68. So the value of x and y in both case 1 and case 2 are correct. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye for now, and see you in my subsequent video. God bless you, and Jesus loves you. Bye bye.